Welcome to a 2022 Ford Ecosport oil life reset. So first you're going to hit your power button. Sometimes you got to hit it twice. This one you just got to hit it once. Don't touch the brake pedal. If you have a key, just put the key on engine off position. Do not start it. So you're going to go down to settings with your little arrows on the left hand side. You'll see the double little lines up here. You're going to have that in your steering wheel. You're going to hit that. It's going to bring up this. You're going to go down to vehicle settings. You're going to go down, you're going to go to information, you're going to go down to oil life, and then you're going to hit reset. Boom. That's all you have to do for a 2022 EcoSport to reset the oil life. This should include all EcoSports from 20 to 2022. Thank you very much. If you like this, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more.